Thank you everyone for joining us here at the 2020 New England Maker Summit 4.0, our fourth year in the running. I'd like to thank all our speakers, and it's been a wonderful day of education and understanding what the new collar workforce is all about, both from the education standpoint, the business standpoint, and certainly the manufacturing standpoint. So I take you now to the MakerspaceCT bar.
After hours.
It's time to relax a little bit, kick back with the Executive Director, Devra, and basically celebrate
Another year.
Another
wrap.
Friday evening, and go ahead, Devra.
I'm sure. I'd just like to thank everyone for joining us today. It's a very pertinent topic. So much our state runs and our economy runs on our workforce pipeline, and we have a lot of wonderful pieces to Connecticut. We had a great team today of speakers that evaluated the situation and made all their suggestions, both nationally and statewide. So I want to thank everyone. I want to thank our sponsors for making this happen today. My message to everyone is collaborate. We have to collaborate from day one with the next generation all the way through to the corporations supporting traditional and non-traditional training methodologies for workforce pipeline development. And so with that message of collaboration, what are we collaborating on now, Mark? This looks pretty good.
Well, this is the MakerspaceCT bar, if you will. And back when we asked Stanley Black & Decker and Craftsman for some new work tables, it was interesting that our work tables were bar height. So, what better to use as a bar height table than our Craftsman workbenches? So let me show you what we're going to make today for happy hour. And also, if you bought a ticket today, you'll be receiving one of these amazing NEMS 2020 shirts in the mail. It looks like this on the back, but we don't do things around here normally. That's why I've got the shirt on backwards today. So let me relax a little bit and take you through what an Espresso Martini is. An Espresso Martini is going to consist of some ice right here. We're going to put in an ounce of vodka.
Or so.
And it's okay if it's a little over like that. That's perfectly fine. This is Liquor 43 you can get at your local package store. All right. And we do about 1.5 ounces of your favorite espresso.
This is what keeps Mark running most of the day.
That's right. Oh, we're making a mess, but that's okay. That's what we do here at MakerspaceCT. So we're going to shake this up a little bit. Ooh, that's chilly.
Cool.
You ready for some refreshment?
I am. Mark, loving the martini, the Espresso Martini. I'm loving the adaptive reuse of our Craftsman work table, and I'm pretty excited.
I'm going to top this off with just a few espresso beans. It gives that little extra crunch. Something to look forward to at the end of the drink. Here you go.
All righty. Mark, thank you for helping with a wonderful day. Thanks for getting through another one. NEMS 2020 4.0. Thanks for joining us.
See you next year.
Support for the New England Maker Summit provided by our innovation partner Stanley Black & Decker. Additional sponsors include the Rutledge Family Foundation, Mastercam, MPH Engineering LLC, CBIA, ReadyCT, and Constep. Thank you for your support.